In a quiet room, I sit alone. The world outside is fading slow. Whispers of the white wave in my ear. Even my thoughts drift off to sleep. The silence wraps around my soul. All my worries scatter in the wind, resting softly in the clouds above, sinking in gentle peace. Here's my white wave. Here's me in your calm embrace. In this moment I am free. Peace is coloring all of me. Peace is coloring all of me. Light is softly pouring in. Shadows dance and disappear in this space of quiet truth. I remember